Hi and welcome. We're very happy to announce that one of our top feature requests is making its way to the next Opus One update, and that is keyboard shortcuts. Join me while I show you the new list of shortcuts that are going to make your planning even more time efficient. First, we have the calendar ones. If we want to go to the next day, we use Control Command arrow to your right, and to go to the previous one, arrow to your left. Now, to go to the next month, it goes Control, Command, Shift, arrow to your right, and arrow to your left for previous month. For next year, it goes Control, Shift, Option, Command, arrow to your right, and arrow to your left for previous year. And if you want to go back to present day, it's very simple. Control, Command, T brings you to today. Now for daily task. We set ourselves on this section and hit Command M for new item. And that's how we create a new task. Now if you want to edit a card, you go and hit return when it's selected on the list. And if you don't want that task anymore, you go Command delete, and now it's gone. And now on to notes. We select a sentence and we can go and do different things like making bold using Command B, or turn it into italics using Command I, or underline it with Command U. If we want to make it bigger, we hit Command plus and the font gets bigger. And if we want to make it smaller, we hit Command less and it becomes smaller. Now, if we want to change the font or the color, we use Command D and we get the full list of available fonts for the notes. And we can easily change to a different font. Same goes to colors. Command Shift C brings us the comprehensive list of available colors for the note section. But let's say we want to go back to a different style. Well, we can copy it using Option Command C and selecting this one, Option Command B, and it copies the initial format. You can go and consult the full list of shortcuts under Planner Tools. Here we have the calendar ones, and under Format, Text, and Font, we get the ones from Daily Notes.